Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today I am going to show you or let you know what I use and what products I use to achieve this look. So I have another video. It may be before or right after this, but they'll probably get loaded up at the same time, of my blushes. And this is the highlighter. So just as a recap from that, I tried on for the first time the Morphe Cheek Thrills blushes. And I wanted to try some colors that didn't look like they would go well with a woman of color or blend out well with someone with a deep complexion. And I did discover that they look very pretty on my complexion. My lighting is real bright, so you might not be able to see it completely, but this side was beachfront. What is it called? No. Oh, I had it in my hand. Beachfront bonfire. So this is like I believe they described this one as like a coral. And on the right cheek, I have on After Party. Ooh. Be careful with these. So this is After Party. Or turn this way, might be able to see it a little better. But like I said, my lighting is like making the color look a lot lighter than it really is in real life. This one is the rosy color. And then I also got the Sunset Swim, which is more, I would say, on lighter complexions, it could be like a bronzer palette, or on me, I applied it on my chin. And I would say it could be like a, just to give yourself a glow, like a glow from within look, or a highlighter sunset kind of appearance. So that's what I have on my chin. So if you want to see me unbox those and try those on real time, check out that video. But for this video, I just wanted to show you how I achieve the eye look. So for the look, I wanted to go with kind of like a sunset, I guess, theme. And I'm trying out the, I purchased 4 of these by ColourPop. I think it's 5 total. I skipped one of them. I just didn't think I didn't think I liked it from online the way it looked, so I didn't get the one, but I got all the other ones. So I'll be doing some looks with these. They're the Winx eyeshadow stick collection. They were on sale, so I decided to jump on that. And I started out with this one in Rising Sun. And it looks like this. They're all like iridescent like. So it looks like that. And that's what I have on the inner eye. And by the way, if you want to see this tutorial, it will be linked below to TikTok. So also what I did was I used a couple of other ColourPop eyeshadows. I used under the brow. Let's start there. I went over to the Jaclyn Hill palette. This is the volume 2. And I used No Joke under the brow. For that yellow. And then switched over to the ColourPop eyeshadow. So this is when, I don't know if they still have the individual eyeshadows, but that's from when they had these. This is called You Got It. It's a matte orange. So I blended in that yellow with that orange. And then I kind of did a soft cut crease. So with this burgundy, and that is in the color Sleeper. And then I added some purple out in the, so I used the Sleeper color in here and on the outer corner, and then I wanted to deepen the outer corner, so I went back into the Jaclyn Hill palette and I used Not My Journey, which is this purple down here, just to deepen the outer corners. And then switch back to the ColourPop, and I used this color. It's called Manifest It, and it's like a pink with some shimmers in it, although when you apply it you barely see the shimmers on the eye. So that's in the middle, I guess you could say. And then I went over the inner corners with the eyeshadow stick, the Rising Sun. So on top of that, just to make sure that it wouldn't crease or, you know, fade, I used this Inglot pigment. It's in the number, it's an AMC eyeshadow pigment in the number 63. And again, this is by Inglot. And it looks like this. Really, really, really pretty, gorgeous color. It pretty much matched the eyeshadow stick. So I just tapped a little bit on top. So then on the bottom, I used this liner, this NYX liner, or NYX in Aquamarine Dream, for the lower lash line and the waterline. And then I went over it with this ColourPop color in Gridlock. It's a metallic on the bottom. For the lips, let me get that. Let me find that. Oh, the lips is from NYX also. They're lip lingerie, lingerie. And it's in the color Straps Off. So it's a liquid matte. And I thought it was kind of went with that burgundy that I used. So for the face, I used the Danessa Myricks Yummy Skin in number 9. The blurring balm powder. And I told you about the blush and slash highlight. So that was from, again, Morphe. So yeah, that is the look. The lashes are from La Flare, the 3D faux mink lashes, SD01C 3D lash. And I got that from my local beauty supply. So I think that was majority of it. So I hope you like this look, this sunset look. And I hope this look will inspire you to create something of your own. Thanks for watching.